Greenhouse gases. Introduction. Incoming radiation. Greenhouse gases. Properties. Type of greenhouse gases. Effect of greenhouse gases. A global problem. Controlling measures. Introduction. The greenhouse gas effect rise temperature that the earth experiences because certain gases in the atmosphere, water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and methane for example, trap energy from the sun. Incoming radiation. Some trace gases are known as greenhouse gases because they function like in glass in greenhouse. Incoming radiation strikes and earth sound is observed. This heat the earth and the earth re-radiates in the infrared protein of the spectrum. Greenhouse gas properties. Greenhouse gas absorb infrared radiation that correspond to the vibrational and radiational energy levels their bonds. Normally these gases have three or more atoms. Type of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons. These gases together with the water vapor create the natural greenhouse gases effect. They trap some of the sun's energy and keep the earth warm enough to sustain life. Carbon dioxide. More than 80% carbon dioxide emissions are gassed by burning fossil fuels industries, cutting down burning trees, thermal power plant and automobiles. Deforestation account for about 20% of the carbon dioxide increase from human activities. Automobile execute. Burning 1 gallon of gasoline generates 22 pounds of carbon dioxide. When gasoline is burned, the carbon it combines with oxygen in the air from carbon dioxide. Because the oxygen add weight, and the newly formed carbon dioxide weighs more than original unburned fuel. Cars and population increase. There are over 600 million motor vehicles in world today. If present trends continue, the number of cars Earth will double in the next 30 years. Methane generated naturally by bacteria called the methogenesis with his habitat in marshes, swamp and wetland soils. Methane has except from cabbage, landfill and open drums. It also leaks out drinking minimum extraction and transportation of coal, oil and natural gas. New source of methane. In 2006 research has shown that permafrost melting in the Arctic in releasing methane trapped in formerly frozen sediments. Permafrost melting in the result global warming. Animals and methane. Bacteria in the gut of cattle break down food these animals eat, converting some of it to methane gas. Cattle can belch up to half pound methane a day. Sheep, goats, buffalo, and camels also bleach methane. Rapidly growing world population produces a greater demand for meat and dairy product. Number of cattle double in the past 40 years. Nitrous oxide N2O. Nitrous oxide is released naturally from oceans and bacteria in soils. Each year we add 7 to 13 million tons nitrous oxide to the atmosphere mainly by using nitrogen based fertilizers, disposing of human and animal wastes, automobile executes, chemical fertilizers, nitrogen based fertilizers use has doubled in the past 5 years. 50 years. Nitrogen fertilizers provided nutrient for crops. When the fertilizers break down in soil, nitrous oxide is released into the air. Fluorocarbons. Fluorocarbons come almost entirely from human activities. Some fluorocarbons, including chlorofluorocarbons (CFCs, CFC), along with chlorine and bromine, containing compound also involve an acceleration ozone and hole formation and also result in increasing in amount of hydrogen peroxide in the atmosphere in induce acid rain. The effect of greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide 60%, halocarbons 20%, methane 15%, 5% nitrous oxide. Chart shows how much warming could be caused by each of the gases that human activities realize. The global problem: an increased global temperature would bring changes to entire planet and therefore every nation. This makes an international issue which needs worldwide study and response. Individual countries each responsible for their own greenhouse production, controlling, measuring, reducing the consumption of fossil fuels, afforestation, eco-friendly alternative CFC, CO2 pumped into underground, bioremediation, sulfur